Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open contacts, then you have to select contact which you want to add photo, then tap on the pencil icon to edit this contact, then here at this photo and this avatar icon, tap change, then you have an option to take photo or to select photo from gallery. Let's just select photo. Then you can adjust it here and then just tap save, and after that image will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.